Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video today and watching. I do lots of unboxings, and today we are opening up one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. So if you are looking for a beauty box, I do recommend this subscription. This is coming from Dermstore, which is an online retailer in the UK. They have all sorts of beauty products. I mean, anything and everything on their website. And then every month they create a BeautyFix where they will feature products from their website inside of their monthly box. So today we are looking at the BeautyFix box for April 2024. We're going to go ahead and open up this entire box today and see what is inside. But I also have a great deal if you guys are interested in purchasing this. So before I forget, if you are interested in buying this box, I will post the link down below along with a discount code. But there's a couple things with it that I would recommend just from my own personal experience. So for starters, if you purchase this box as a month-to-month box, it is $25 a month, plus there will be a shipping fee added to that as well because it is coming from the UK. However, if you purchase a 3-month plan or longer for your subscription, they will waive the shipping fee off of every one of those boxes. So in my opinion, it is a better deal to go with the 3-month plan because you are going to save that money from shipping. On top of that, they give you a little bit better of a breakdown on the box. It saves you a couple more dollars off of each box. And my 15% off discount code will take the amount off of the entire subscription plan. So if you do the 3-month plan up front, it retails for about $60. So then you end up getting this box for 20 bucks. The only thing that you have to do is use my link, my discount code, and you will need to prepay ahead of time for those larger plans. So you are paying up front for your boxes. Now, of course, you can do it any way that you would like to, but like I said, that's my recommendation just because it is a little bit better of a price point then. And I feel like for $20 a month, you get really good items in this box, and that's why I love it. So this is what it looks like for our April subscription box. Oh, but see, this is the part that I always forget. So in order to get the 3-month plan, you will need to change it from the default tab that says pay monthly and click on the words that say pay up front, and then that 3-month plan will become available. So first item in our box is full size this month. This is from Nude Sticks and it's called the Nudies Bloom. This is a cream stick and it will go down as like a blush stick. The shade is Sweet Peach Peony. Yeah, or Sweet Peach Peony. I'm like, which way do these words go? So we have a cream blush stick here. The nice thing about blush sticks is you can put them wherever you would like to have a flush of color. Some people like to put a little on their nose, sometimes on their cheeks. You can honestly play with it and see what you like. I typically just keep it here on my apples and then kind of go up a little bit. So this is what it will look like inside. I think it's a gorgeous color. It is a little bit of a pinky blush tone, but a touch of peach as well. I like that it's a little of both. It's a little pink, a little of peach. You got a little of both of them on there. Now, the cool thing is with these sticks is at the other end, you can pull off the cap and there's a built-in brush down here, and this will help to buff out that cream stick. So lots of bristles, and the idea is to really buff it in and to blend everything out. I love that that's included because then you can do touch-ups on the go with it. But we got a full-size item in our box. They don't guarantee that you'll get full-size items or sample-sized items. They just say you're going to receive items from their website. So you never really know. But for me to spend $20 on this box and already have a full-size product, I already know I made my money back. Next item in our box is from Replenex, and this is their Retinol 5x serum. This is good stuff, you guys. So this is their anti-aging serum. They make this serum in a few different degrees. So like there's a 2X and a 5X. I think they even go up above that as well, like to a 10. So this one is their 5, and it's a very strong treatment. It even says medical grade ingredients. There's green tea, caffeine, and retinol in this, and it is supposed to take down the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you smoother, even skin afterwards. So I love that this is in the box. Now you're going to notice it's a bit dirty, right? It is a brand new product. This is the only thing I don't like about this subscription box is they put all of these black crinkles in here to protect the items. And then they have dust and the shavings rub off, and then you get your items in and it looks like this. So it comes right off. It's just dust, but don't be alarmed if you get your item and you're like, what is on here and going on? This happens every month. But oh my gosh, I can't believe we got this. Now, this is just their travel size at 0.5 ounce. Next up, we have from Paula's Choice, another great brand. This is the oil-free moisturizer. Now, I've not tried this one. This is just a sample, but I love her exfoliant that she has. Oh my gosh, it is so good. So this is an oil-free moisturizer that features niacinamide and triple ceramides in them. There's pumpkin, blueberry, and licorice root, and it will visibly reduce redness, giving you hydration, and it's going to minimize the look of pores that are enlarged and any discoloration that you may have. Now, the only thing I don't care for is how ridiculously small this is. It's 3 ml of product, but I do like the brand, and I am excited to try it because I haven't used this one yet. But I wish it was bigger. Like, that's my only complaint. We have another full-size product! Oh my gosh, I love when this happens, you guys. So this is the Clarifying Detox Mask. It's 50 ml, 1.7 ounce, brand new in the box here. I don't know this brand or this product at all, but I know a full size when I see one. So this mask is designed for any acne issues that you might have. It says if you have oily, congested, or acne-prone skin, this is a green clay mask that will help to clarify and detox it. So again, if you have any enlarged pores, maybe they're dirt or filled with makeup, this will also help to detox your pores and reduce the size of them. This says it also will take down any redness that you might have, and it's going to make your skin smoother after using it. So I like this. It does expire, it looks like in October of this year, which I'm fine. I can use that beforehand. So this is what it will look like inside of the box. Honestly, I am shocked that we got this large of an item in here. This is so good. And this is what I mean is that you never know what you're going to receive in this subscription box, but because it's coming from a really good website full of different skincare items, you can be surprised with really great brands every month. Oh my gosh, you guys, this product, this exact one that we have here, this sells for $84 on the dermstore website. $84! I'm not even making that up. You guys can look it up if you want to. So $84 item being sold on their website, but you can get it for $20 in this subscription box. And if you want this exact same box, you can still receive it. You just have to order it in the month of April. Next item in our box today is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This 3-in-1 mask will treat your skin to give it hydration. It will help to exfoliate the skin as well, breaking down any texture and resurface it. So this is a multi-product. It's 14 ml that we have here. This is considered a deluxe sized item. So it's not your sample, but more of a deluxe sample because you're getting more in it. I do love this brand. It is enough to try it out a couple of times, but at the end of the day, it's still a sample, right? You're gonna get a couple shots at this, but that's about it. But still, excellent brand name that's in this box. I mean, at this point, I haven't lost any money on the box, so I'm okay receiving some samples now. So my next item is from BeautyStat, and it is their Universal C Skin Refiner. This is 5 ml of product. This is a really great product. I've used it several times, love the brand, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it. If you guys want to have anything to brighten your skin up, this is a great product for that. So this also breaks down texture as well. It will help to make it more even and smooth. I'm noticing that with all of the items in this month's box is that it's centered on having smooth skin, less wrinkles, cleaning those pores out, and then this will give you that brightening treatment as well. So you can definitely see the theme this month. So that is everything inside of our Beauty Fix for April. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this box. But holy bananas, this is an amazing box this month. I mean, for starters, we have 6 products in here, and 2 of those are full-size products. One of them happens to be an $84 item. You guys, it's so good. So if you are interested and would like to receive this exact same box, you do need to purchase in the month of April in order to receive everything that I just showed you. Additionally, if you would like to get it for, like I said, about $20 a box, you would need to purchase the 3-month plan or higher. I think there's a 3-month, there's a 6-month, and also a 12-month plan. But my 15% off discount code will take it off of your entire subscription. So if you go with a 12-month plan, you're actually going to get your box much cheaper than 20 just because of all of the discounts you can receive. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!